Yo, welcome back to the channel. So I'm on a train at the moment going to Liverpool from Runcorn. It's only an 18-minute trip, so I'm just going to stand in this little bit here. Everything's high-tech in it, everything's moving on, like CCTV is controlled. Got CCTV, obviously. No smoking, that sucks. Yeah, everything's moving on in this world. You come back here, like, from living in Madagascar for a year, you see big changes, like, the price of everything's gone up. Everybody's, like, proper into the technology now, like, technology rules this world now, like. It's a different world from Madagascar. Money, cash, pound notes rule that world. Here, everything's done by card or on the internet, everything. What we got here? New build houses going on there. Where are we? Ah, we're just by Halewood. That's bottom end of Halewood now. Not too far to go to Liverpool from here. Another 12 minutes or something, we'll be coming into Lime Street. Lovely trains, these ones. Like, I think Richard Branson, I don't know whether Richard Branson owns these. I don't think he does. I think Avanti or something owns these. But I think he helped contribute to making these railways better and these trains better. Did his bit for society. A lot of green and open space in Liverpool. It's very, very green. There's a lot of parks, a lot of nice areas where you can take your dog or whatever for a walk around here. It's nice. We're slowing down. Must be coming into a station, I guess. Bet it's making you dizzy, innit, looking out this window like this. It's like a prison, that, like. It's not like, but it looks like one. That many self-storage units, lots of them, like. Look at all the cars, all boss cars, Range Rovers, and nice cars. Everybody's got a nice car. Not theirs, like, you know, it's on HP, it's on hire agreements for like 3 years and that, but it's still nice. Everybody's got a nice car. People are paying stupid money for cars, like for a Hyundai, an electric Hyundai. I just met a taxi driver there. He said he's going to pay 60 grand for the car. £60,000, $70,000 over 3 years to buy the car. It's like an electric hybrid thing that's got petrol and electric. My brother's got one as well, like 60 grand though, like. It's just ridiculous, like a lot of dollar for a car. But you've got to have a good car to be taxiing now, like. No, I don't know where we are now. Liverpool, we're in Garston, mate. Garston town. It's all right, Garston. It's a bit rough. It used to be. When I was a lad, I used to hang around this area here. This was my stomping ground, like. It was rough back in the day, rough. But I think it's still similar, but maybe gone up a little bit, like gone up in the world a little bit. Should be coming into Eggborough soon. This is not a non-stop train, this one though. It goes direct to Liverpool Lime Street from Runcorn. Well, from London Euston, and it's got, like, I don't know, 12 stops on the route or something from London to Liverpool. So lucky that Runcorn's got a station. There's West Allerton we've just gone through there. This is the area I actually grew up in here, Allerton. This is my real stomping ground here. Allerton, Eggborough. Got about though, I had a push bike when I was a kid, like I had a push bike, I was about all over the place, you know. Always out and about, blowing around on my push bike, like. Mossley Hill, nice area here, like Rose Lane, beautiful. That's a nice area of Liverpool. It's just round the corner from my house. This my house where I live with my parents and that. Nice. Coming into heading towards Smithdown Road now, that area, but obviously it's just a little bit away from this train track, but that's where we're heading. Just at the back of these houses is Smithdown. Goes from one good area to one rough area to one good area. You can have like a really nice area, and then like a quarter of a mile away it can be rough as hell. Like, there's Smithdown Road there, start of Smithdown Road, and we're cutting across. Nice big park again there in the distance. Rugby posts in the distance there. We can play a game of rugby and that. It's alright. Don't know whether I'd want to walk around that park though overnight. Might be a bit dodgy overnight. Like, in the daytime though, no problem. Got a sports centre here. Nice big sports centre. Slowing down. Don't know what station we're going to go to now. Like, I don't usually take this line. Normally I take another line, and when I say normally I take this line, I don't take many trains, do I? This is rough round here. Like, this starts to get rough around this area. Top of Smithdown, start hitting into the Tocky Triangle area, right up to the Women's Hospital and all that, to the Royal Hospital and that. Dodgy, but I don't know, like, it's alright, I suppose. You can be lucky and get an area where it's nice and quiet and that, and there's not too many problems. And then you get other areas where it's rough. There's Picton Road there. It's Wavertree we're in now. A lot of new build houses and stuff.
We're now approaching Liverpool Line Street.
Oh yeah, no it's not. We're out of Wavertree and we're into the next stop, Liverpool Line Street. Obviously, like I said, there's no stops.
British Transport Police on
So we're coming to Liverpool Line Street now, but they come in slow, like.
See it, say it.
Obviously it's the end of the track.
When leaving us here, make sure you have all your luggage and belongings with you.
Probably still a kilometre away or something, at least. It's all about renewable power, isn't it? Renewable power. Use big diesel generators to generate the renewable power. Like, what are you thinking? Like, a lot of these stations are old, like now, old and outdated. Edge Hill. Nobody in sight, not one person in sight. Now we're going into the tunnel areas. Getting a bit dark, isn't it? Those sandstone walls, like 20 foot high. Lime Street's a big station though. You'll see it when I get off in a second. Nice station, got everything you need. This train will shortly arrive at Liverpool Lime Street. Please make sure you've got all your belongings with you.
Good evening, the train manager speaking. We are now on the final approach, coming into Liverpool Lime Street. Please remember